Don't bring me that box again. I've learned this lesson well. Nothing good comes wrapped in cardboard with instructions from some hell. They call it minimal assembly, a euphemism, friend, for hours of existential doubt. You'll curse until the end. No assembly required. That's the future I deserve. Pre-built stable furniture, not this chaos I observe. No assembly required. Put that manual down. If it needs an Allen wrench, I'm leaving town. Step one says a line party, but it looks just like you. Their diagrams were drafted drunk by a sad intern or two. Hardware counts defy all math. Screws seem to multiply like regrets and leftover IKEA parts you'll hoard until you die. No assembly required. Don't sell me bags of shame. A bookshelf shouldn't ask me if I've ever played this game. No assembly required. I want dignity knocked out, and furniture that doesn't lean or whisper you sold out. Oh, the Allen wrench, that cursed tool, it mocks me with its grin. Designed to turn in circles slow and break your will within. Each quarter turn a silent hymn to futility profound, while somewhere in Stockholm they toast another fool who's found. My partner reads instructions loud, like narrating my demise. You're holding it all crooked, well, so are corporate lies. This bookshelf's not a project, it's a metaphor in wood for how we buy into absurdity and call it doing good. No assembly required. I've done my time, I'm through. Stop selling me a puzzle and pretending it's brand new. No assembly required. I want function, not despair. Does everything collapses with enough cheap hard